Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see from class 6 Sparrow book lesson number 11 Person of the Century. Now in this lesson we are going to study about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was declared the person of the century by Time magazine. The world's largest calculated weekly news magazine means Time magazine was a well-known magazine in those times, and that magazine has honored Albert Einstein as a person of the century. He was a German physicist and the most notable and influential scientist of the 20th century. Means Albert Einstein was the scientist who was well known in the 20th century. Albert Einstein was born to a Jewish couple in a UIM on March 14, 1879. He was born in 1879 on March 14th in a Jewish family in UIM. He is known as a genius of science. Genius means brilliant person, means he knows more about science. Though he was a slow learning how to speak when he was a child. When he was a child, he was not capable of reading and learning the things quickly. He was rebellious towards authority, and his headmaster expelled him, saying that he would never be an achiever in life. Expelled means move him out of the class, you can say. So his master used to say, because of his slow learning, he said this, that he cannot do anything in his life. His slow verbal development made him curious about ordinary things such as space and time. Now, while he was a child, he was a slow learner, but the keenness, the interest of knowing the things, he started thinking and learning about space and time. When he was 5, his father gave him a compass and he puzzled over the nature of magnetic field for the rest of his life. Means when he was 5 years old, his father gave him a compass, and through that compass he used to now when his father gave him the compass, he was puzzled, he was confused over the nature of magnetic field. Means he was not able to understand what this compass is telling about and how the compass is moving. So he was confused whole of his life. By the age of 16, he wrote his first research science paper. He also took music lessons playing both violin and piano. Means except studies, he was interested in music, and in that he learned how to play violin and piano. A passion that followed him into adulthood. Means passion means interest. So he continued playing the piano, he continued playing the violin, he continued his research, and at the age of 16 he first researched the science paper. He submitted the science research paper. Moving first to Italy, then to Switzerland, the young prodigy means genius, graduated in 1896. In 1905, while working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein had in his marvelous miracle year, means astonishing year. You can say full of advantages, full of knowledge, full of everything in a good way. That year was remarkable for him. It was during his time that the young physicist obtained his doctorate degree and published 4 of his most influential research papers. Means while he was doing his graduation, the young physicist Einstein obtained his doctorate degree, and between this time he has done 4 researches which was more important research papers in his life, including the special theory of relativity. That theory gave an equation EMC cube, that unlocked the mysteries of the universe. That means Einstein was the person who gave the formula, the equation of E mc cube, which solved the mysteries of the universe. 10 years later, in 1905, Einstein completed his general theory of relativity, and in 1921 he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Means in 1915 Einstein completed his general theory related to relativity, and in 1921 he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. That launched him to international superdom, and his name became synonymous with genius all over the world. Because of this research and because of the Nobel Prize in 1921, he was well known and he was the hero in the field of physics. So, as he was given the Nobel Prize, he became well known to everyone in the world. Now he has written this thing that I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious. Means to know, to have an more interest in knowing the things had made him a super person, according to Einstein. Einstein immigrated to the United States. Immigrated means equivalent, means moved. He moved to United States in autumn of 1933 and took up residence in Princeton, New Jersey, and professorship at the prestigious institute. Practical application of Einstein's theory include the development of television, remote control devices, DVD players, etc. Means Einstein was the inventor of television, remote control devices, and DVD. And when he moved to United States in 1933, he went to New Jersey and he worked in a prestigious institute. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world was one of his famous quotes. Means he wants to say this, that imagination is vast, knowledge is limited, but imagination, you can imagine so many things at any age, but knowledge is limited. So he says that imagination is more important than knowledge, because unless and until you will not imagine, you will not gain knowledge, or you will not gain anything related to your imagination. Born in Germany and raised in the Jewish faith, Einstein strongly opposed injustice of race and religion. Because he was born in Germany, in Jewish family, so he protested against injustice of race and religion. That means there should be no discrimination in relation to religion and race. Many people had assumed that Einstein was the creator of atomic bomb, but it was not true. It is believed that the inventor of the atomic bomb was Einstein, but it is not true. After his death on April 18, 1955, that means when he was 76 years old, he died. Einstein's brain was donated to the Princeton Medical Center because of his knowledge, because of extra knowledge. His brain was given to Princeton Medical Center for research. Time magazine recognized Einstein as the person of century in 1999. Means according to Times magazine, Einstein was considered as the person of century, and this was declared in the year 1999. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and share my channel, Mahi English Classes. Thank you.